In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step process on how you can get your share code for your right to work. So you go to your view your e-visa email and then you click on the link there. When you have access to this particular government website, you can see that it says that there are different services to prove your right to work to an employer and to prove your right to rent to a landlord. Now, the things you need for this service, details of your identity documents and your date of birth, and then access to the mobile number or email address to use to sign into your UKVI account, and you will be sent a code for signing in. So these are the basic things you need. The first thing we're going to do is just click on this Start Now button. Once we do that, it says, what identity document did you use when you created your account? If you've linked your passport to your e-visa, it should be a passport, but I'm going to use a BRP for this purpose. Now we'll click on that, continue to the next page. What is your biometric residence card or permit number? So you put in the numbers here, then continue to the next page. What is your date of birth? On the next page, how do you want to receive a security code? So you select the option, then check your phone for your security code. You put in the code here. It's a 6-digit number, so you just know that it expires soon. Now, once you put in the security code in this column and click on continue to the next page, you will see your e-visa. This is what it looks like. You has your photograph, your name, status, valid until. Some people on a skilled worker visa will have their national insurance number there. Now, what you're going to do is just scroll down. As you scroll down here, you would see this place. It says prove your status. If you need to prove your immigration status to someone, you can do this online with a share code. Click on get a share code. But before we do that, if you scroll down here, it will tell you the legal basis of your status. If your personal details change, that's the mistake people make. They don't know how to update their personal details. I have a video about that. I'll put it in the comment section and in the description box. You need to be updating your record if you change your email address, phone number, home address, passport or travel document details. So always pay attention to this so that you don't have any problems in future. It's your responsibility to do that for yourself and for your children, or if you have dependents. Now let's just go back to this particular page and we click on get a share code, because that's the option we are after for the purpose of this video. Now, once you click on that, this thing opens here. It says get a share code to prove your status. You may find someone needs to confirm things like your right to work or live in the UK. This could be before you arrive or while you are here. You can give them access to the information you need to create a share code. So you just click on share code. Yeah, because it lasts for 90 days. Now, why do you need a share code? That's the option. Since you want to give it to your employer, you click on to prove my right to work, including work placements. That's the right option. But if you want to go travel, like you want to travel outside the UK, then you go click on this last option to prove my immigration status for anything else. But for now, to prove my right to work, click on continue to the next page. Now, on this particular page, it has your photograph. It says you have permission to work in the UK from so date, and you can work in the UK until so date, and it has your details. This is not what you send to your employer. You click on continue to this next page, then you have this particular one, which is your share code. It contains numbers and letters. We call it 9 alphanumerics. So there are 9 of them. You copy them, you screenshot them, and then you send it to your employer. Alternatively, you can always, email it to your employer. And how you can do that, if you go down here, it says send code by email, and then you provide your employer's email, and then they will do it for you. Alternatively, if you want to prove your right to rent in England to a private landlord or letting agent, you click on this particular option to prove my right to rent in England. And the same thing, it says you have the right to rent in the UK from so time, and you have the right to rent until so time. So it's 90 days, remember? Yeah. So you can click on continue. It will now generate the 9 alphanumerics. You can take a screenshot here, or you can click on send code by email and provide your landlord's email, and they will send it to your landlord automatically. So I hope you've benefited a lot. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.